In my previous project I have created ESP32 token system with P10 single color panel without voice. But here I came with token system with voice alert using DF mini player. If you press plus or minus button, token number will be called with voice alert.
Token number 8. Token number 2. Token number 4. Token number 11. Token number 10. Token number 9. Token number 7.
Please watch full video to make this project. Copy the text and paste in Library Manager. Clearly check the version of the library in the video and install the same version of the library. Sometime updated library may create problem. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.
Token number 8.